Hey guys, this is Abdullah Mamun and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear search history from Play Store. So keep watching this tutorial to the end and never forget to subscribe my channel, smash the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started today's video. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store and then you can see at the top of the right side, just click on it and then click on setting option and then click on general. After that, tap on account and device preferences and then scroll down slowly and finally click on clear device search history. So I'm gonna click on it. So right now your search history has been deleted from Play Store. So I'm gonna check it out. Just back and check it out. So you guys can see there is nothing. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.